Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI with Uday, also known as Enlist Uday. Today's topic that is AI engineers versus data scientists, where we will discuss about these two roles and what are the differences in these two roles, as well as which is best suited for you. So let's go and deep dive. So first understand this what these two roles mean. A data scientist is someone who works with large amount of data to uncover patterns, trends, derive insights, and businesses make data-driven decisions. They are also called the detectives of the data world. On the other hand, an AI engineer is someone who focuses on building AI systems and models. We can think of them as architects who create intelligent solutions like chatbots, recommendation systems, and now modern computer vision system as well. Now let's talk about the key responsibilities of these two roles. So what they exactly do in their daily life. First we will talk about data scientist. A data scientist usually collects, clean and process the data, and then they explore the data to uncover the patterns using statics and visualizations. After visualizations, they usually build predictive models using tools like Python or and machine learning libraries. And after that, they usually communicates these findings, trends, patterns, and insights to the stakeholders so that they can make the business decision better. On the other hand, AI engineers designs and develops AI systems, implements machine learning and deep learning models into the productions, and also optimize the models for scalability and performance. AI engineers usually works with software engineers so that they can integrate AI solutions into the real world applications. Now, let's talk about the key software skills you will need to excel to get started with these roles. First, about the data scientists. So, for data scientist, you need to have a strong knowledge of statistics and probability. You should be proficient in Python, R, and SQL, as well as you should be expertise in data visualizations tools like Power BI and Tableau. And after that, you should have the machine learning knowledge along with the domain knowledge of the particular project. So these are the basic requirement for the data science roles, but you definitely will have to upgrade your skills as soon as you get into the role. Next, for the AI engineers, you should have the strong knowledge of machine learning and deep learning. You should be proficient in Python, frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. Your programming skill in Python should be very strong so that you do not get any trouble. Since mostly the machine learning, deep learning, Python libraries are written in Python, so you should be very much proficient in Python. Along with that, you should be having some experience in deploying the AI models into the production using Kubernetes and Docker. Now let's talk about the career path and opportunities we have in these two roles. If I talk about data scientists, as a data scientist, you might start as junior data scientist and then grow into senior data scientist and eventually lead the data scientist team as chief data officer. And then again, you can be the VP, senior VP, etc. Whereas the path is similar for the AI engineer as well. You might start as ML engineer and then grow into senior AI engineer and eventually the head of AI. I know this is kind of very short, but I just wanted to highlight the things. But if you want a career path and a full roadmap for data scientists or AI engineers, then you just comment it down. I will try to create a video on that. Now let's talk about the money, which is the most important and essential thing in most of us lives. In India, a data scientist earns an average of 10 to 12 lakhs per annum, but it can go up to 20 to 25 lakh and 30 lakhs per annum as per your experience. Whereas an AI engineer usually takes an average of 15 to 20 lakhs per annum, and it also can go up to 30 to 35 lakhs per annum as per your experience. Globally, both the roles are lucrative, especially in the tech hubs like Europe and US. So, how do you decide which one to pursue? The most important question. So, if you love working with data, finding patterns, and storytelling with the numbers, then you might start as a data scientist. But if you are someone who loves programming, creating AI powered solutions, and creating intelligent systems, then it might be good for you to go for the AI engineer's role. And here is the best part, you don't have to choose it right away. You can start learning Python programming, machine learning, and AI. You will naturally gravitate towards one based on your interests. Remember, both the career options are very fantastic with immense potential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the YouTube channel AI with Uday. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.